Hi guys, welcome to my channel. There is so much you can do with the waste lying at home. You would have seen how we have put the scrap into its best use possible. Adding on to this is a peacock, which is made out of empty glue bottle and dental floss. Stick the ends of the floss, which makes it look like a feather. Take an old milkshake bottle cap. Stick the feathers round like so. Cut the glue bottle into 3. Stick the bottom part of the bottle cap and insert the top part into the bottom part. Add a small wire which acts as a neck and snip out the excess. Now cover it with a newspaper roll. Cut the newspaper into small bits. Mix glue and water together. Dip the piece of newspaper and lay them over the structure. This is how it looks once done. Paint the structure blue. Cut the glitter sheet into small circles. Similarly, cut the circles out of green sheet. Now stick them together as shown. Stick these over the peacock feathers. Decorate it with craft stones. Attach the beak and the crown for the peacock. You have a beautiful peacock ready out of old bottle and dental floss. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.